This price allows you to start building your appreciation today on a wonderful lakefront home. Relax in your large great room overlooking Blueridge Lake. As you enter this wonderful home, you are immediately impressed with unobstructed views of the lake straight through the home. The cook will enjoy cooking while watching the family and seeing the lake. The impressive great room is a wonderful family center or place to entertain guests. The 3 bedrooms and 2 baths are all to the left as you enter the home. The private master suite has views of the lake also. The screened-in porch and fenced-in backyard offer privacy for you to sit and lounge by the lake. This home has fresh paint inside and out. You will be very close to some of the best shopping and dining around. This home will not last long. Schedule your viewing today.